Yarra Valley Caviar is a small boutique freshwater Atlantic salmon farm located around 2 hours from Melbourne at the base of the Rubicon River. Our farm's a little bit special because it's gravity fed. That's why our practices are highly sustainable, chemical free, and we operate as if we were a free range salmon farm. We divert a section of the river, a small part of the river, through our farm, through 16 settling ponds, and then the water is able to go back into the Rubicon. These ponds we're growing Atlantic salmon and rainbow trout and brook trout. From each of these types of fish we are harvesting specifically for their roe, not for their flesh, to be milked again the following year. Some of the oldest fish we have on the farm are over 10 years old and weighing in excess of 10 kilos. My business partner Mark Fox has been working with Yarra Valley Caviar for 20 years and I've been working with them for 12 years. We both have aquatic science degrees. There's also a strong focus on the environmental and social impacts of our business. We're currently exporting all over the world. Mark, myself and the team at Yarra Valley Caviar are proud to produce a world-class product. We're passionate about producing it sustainably and ethically.